and thank you so much for hanging out with me for Junk Journal number 37. Today's a bit different. I'm using a journal that one of my besties and I have been swapping since amazingly 2015. We haven't come that far given the amount of time that has passed. This journal kind of just keeps disappearing and resurfacing. So these are some of the things I have done in 2015, which is unbelievable. I did very different things to what I do now. This one was from 2017, much more my style now, but it's so cool to see the change in what you do. I don't really want to show her entries because I don't know if she wants those to be seen, so I didn't want to share those. And this is just a journal that I made out of like regular copy paper, and the cover I just used a cardboard and made a washi collage on the front and then just waxed it. So I just ran a white candle over it just to seal it all in. It has a really nice feeling now. So I was challenged by Maud Heemstra from Instagram. So she and I were both supposed to do a collage in the style of Constance Rose Designs, and I will leave both of their links down below. This Constance Rose Design website has the most amazing collages, and mine in no way represents any of that. Like, I'm totally still learning how to do collages, but this was my first time doing one on such a big double page spread, so that was very interesting to use a different space, and which I think is also why I was kind of struggling because I wasn't sure how to fill all that space. So I felt like at the end I had a lot of like empty spaces in between, which I didn't particularly love. But yeah, as I said, I'm still learning, so hopefully I'll get better with time if I manage to keep it up. So these watches, so as you've seen, I had a lot of watches there. I had them, I cut them out from a poster that I had gotten at a local shop. It's one, I mean, if you happen to be in Vienna, or I think they probably have it in Germany as well, it's called Hannibal, and they have really nice, a few stationery items and also some really nice food specialty items like sweets from Italy and amazing chocolates, and yeah, they have kitchenware, but very nice and selective, and just really nice shop. So I got a poster there and I cut out all these clocks, and finally I'm able to use these. I had them for a while, and so now I have some other elements that I'm trying to place around the page. And for me, I'm just missing some larger elements, I think, for this size. It's probably what I would have needed, or a different background, or I don't know. Something just doesn't work out for me here, but it was a try and I really enjoyed it. And hopefully, as I said, I'll get better with time. So I think for the rest of the page, I can just leave you to enjoy the music and to watch me create this, because I think the rest is pretty self-explanatory yet, and at the end I'll show some more close-ups. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, and hope you try your own collage sometime. Okay, thank you.